Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel Mindfulness with Pratibha. Today's topic is very sensitive yet powerful. So, today's topic is about abusive relationship. If any one of you is going through this, then they need to heal themselves and they need to come out of it instead of being victim. Because this abusive relationship, abusive conditions that they have created is could be from their family members, their partners, or maybe friends, or sometimes at workplace too. And then people question themselves that why am I facing this? What have I done wrong that is making me face this? Why am I'm so good to everyone but still I'm attracting toxic people in my life and also attracting abusive conditions and this relationships that is not good for me. So let's heal all this by doing Ho'oponopono, clear all the negativity from us, because the fact is that when we are the channel to attract all these things in our lives, whether it's abusive relationship or whether it is positive things in our life. So we are the channel. So let's heal ourselves so that we stop attracting all those abusive relationships in our lives and instead heal ourselves, be calmer, be positive to attract abundance and amazing people in our life. So let's get started. So first of all, relax your energy, take a deep breath and place your hands on your heart and start saying, I take 100% responsibility for all the abusive relationships, conditions that is going on in my life. I'm sorry, dear universe, for holding on to such deep pain within me. I'm sorry, dear universe, for creating this energy and attracted this abusive relationship and tolerated it. I'm sorry, dear universe, for not knowing how to protect myself. Please forgive me, universe, for not knowing how to heal myself and how to come out of it. Please forgive me for tolerating this, for being victim, and also not knowing how to heal myself, how to be stronger and calmer. Please forgive me for not knowing or not taking help, support when my soul was crying for it. Please forgive me for all the tolerance and claiming myself a victim. I'm sorry. Please forgive me to myself. Thank you, dear universe, for showing me the path to heal myself. Thank you, universe, for making me stronger, calmer, and guiding me through this healing session. Thank you, dear universe, for showing me that I am not a victim. I need to heal myself. Instead of blaming others, I need to heal myself. I need to heal myself if I'm blaming myself too. Please forgive me. Thank you, dear universe, for guiding me, for supporting me. Thank you, universe, for all the positivity, healing that is flowing within me. Thank you, universe, for showing me that this needs to be stopped and I need to take charge of myself, be powerful, and need to take help to correct my situation. Thank you, dear universe, for all the guidance you're showing me, the light you're giving me, and I love myself. I love the fact that if this relationship is abusive, maybe I am responsible for it. I need to take charge of my life and I need to be strong and need to take help if needed. I love myself. I'm not going to allow all these things and be a victim because I love myself. I love this healing and also love the fact that life is whatever it is showing me. It is showing me to be stronger. It is showing me to have strength. It is showing me to be loving myself and also need to take help and support if needed and not go through this abusive relationship. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love myself. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love myself. Now, take a deep breath and release all the negative things that is coming into your mind, and release all the toxic events that has happened in your life. And you should take help, you should take guidance from someone if needed, that how you can get out of it by also doing this healing, Ho'oponopono healing. And never call yourself a victim. Be a powerful person, and also be get support, help, and reach out to people. And do not just be a victim in this situation. Do not be tolerating it. I hope this is very informative video to you. Practice this. Come to this video if you're facing this problem, and also take others' help if needed. But don't be a victim. Be a powerful, positive person and attract abundance in your life. With that, thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And also, if you want more healing, deep healing, and other practices of Ho'oponopono, do join my paid Ho'oponopono sessions. That is the link I've given in the description, and also in my bio it is written. So do join and heal yourselves and attract lots of abundance in your life. Thank you for watching once again.